At Pac-Man Cable, we have Chavez and Chapolin from Chespirito. A pure joy of comedy.
Tonight, we close broadcast activities on Superstation WPAC TV 20. Pac-Man. We're now experiencing technical adjustments and will return in a couple of hours. Pac-Man operates from our Los Angeles Broadcast Center. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. And now, it's time for you to go to bed. Hit it.